Dollar trading recap for Tuesday, the 8th of February, 2022. Again, going to be another very short video today, only going with futures today on the S&P, on ES and MES today, playing at spread volatility. Type of trade that I've been tracking with a little bit of data with some very nice opportunity today, even for the little amount that I did take it. I only took it 2 points both ways from that open price. Even that was a little bit of a ride. Fun experience to get my toe into the water for stepping into this type and style of trading even more in the following days and weeks. Excited about that. Nothing else really piquing my interest in the equities markets. I'm just going to go over some dollar volume just for reference for me on these videos. NASDAQ $217 billion volume, pretty low today. We're only 12 minutes after the close here. NYSE sub $300 billion volume, $283 billion on the day, and OTC's $2.07 billion volume on the day. And even on the SPY itself, continuing to put in decreasing volume. So not necessarily that I'm seeing any hard panic or continuation sentiment of volume coming in, that there's going to be a further continuation of a bearish sign, but I mean, that's just my intuition of, I can see us trading in a little consolidated range for a lot longer, drawing this thing out as it's just trying to find itself and not really understanding where it wants to go, just directly up anymore, or if we just kind of go sideways and just float around in space after this inflation and Fed news coming out the past few weeks. But yeah, just that normal sentiment of it was just low volume where the stock market continues to do what it always does and go up. So when I see that sign that it is decreasing volume, that we're after this peak, that tells me that, hey, at least for the short term, meantime, that there's not anything to worry about, or we're not just continuing this trend that we had after that all-time high pullback, hard pullback at the start of this month, start of last month, actually, in January. So yeah, very short, nice and sweet. Nothing else other than that one trade I took this morning, trading that spread volatility, taking 2 points both ways from the opening price, whatever I had it as it is a Tuesday, a little bit less volatility of a day today from what my data tells me on Tuesdays and Thursdays compared to Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And I can only infer that's because of the weekly options and probably some other reasons beyond that, but just what comes to the forefront of my mind is the weekly expirations of contracts on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So that could be inducing some more volatility opportunity intraday on those specific weekdays as compared to Tuesdays and Thursdays. But these are still showing in the past 15, 20 days have still been showing. Man, this trade is certainly there. So excited to start to capitalize on this more. And I think the trouble that I'm dealing with, or the steps that I'm now having to take, are when this very nice hit rate, but when the days that it doesn't start to happen, what then becomes the stop for this little volatility play that I'm trying for. It's because it's just so insane that even if we have a 1% drop off, either way, 1% from the open, whether it goes 1% to the upside or 1% to the downside from that open price, it still has got like a 25% chance of finishing the opposite direction. So if it goes 1% in the red, it still have like a 1 in 4 chance of ending the day green, which is pretty ludicrous for the type of range that we are trading nowadays in this type of market. So I'm just continuing to compile the data like that, get as algorithmic and unemotional, unattached as I can with this trade. But gosh, I'm very excited. And that's all I got for today. I sincerely thank you guys for watching. We will catch you guys on the next one.